Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see, I do not have my wig on today, girl, because I'm going to be giving you guys a full-on hair tutorial. Let me show you guys what I have. Shout out to Beauty Forever Hair for sponsoring my video today. They sent me a wig and I'm about to unbox it and show you guys what I have. So came in your little Beauty Forever box. You got that. Open it up. Alrighty, so we got this wig here. She is a closure. Pretty sure this is probably like 4x4. You can see there. So this wig is kind of different. It's not full lace throughout. It kind of has this like fake scalp thing going on, which is interesting. I've never had a wig like that before, so I'm interested to see what that's gonna give. But yeah, the lace is literally just right here. So it's just this portion that has lace, and then the rest is the fake scalp. And then the wig cap, your generic wig cap. Let me flip it inside out. So it has your combs, one in the back, one on the side, another one on the side, and then, you know, it's just on like a regular, you know, wig. The highlights are really pretty. I've never had a wig this color before, so I'm excited. I have a highlighted wig, but they're very different. So all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just like bleach the little tiny knots that you see in the front. It's a closure, so you're not going to really be seeing much, but you know, I'm just a little extra, so I just want to make sure that it's like, you know, perfect. I'm gonna just bleach that, and I'm gonna just insert the clip of me doing that, and I'm gonna just explain to you guys exactly what I'm doing. So I'm quickly going to show you guys what I'm using. I'm using my BW2 from Clairol bleach, and I have my Shimmer Light shampoo, and I'm using 20 and a 40 developer. So I'm taking my bleach and I'm putting it into my mixing bowl. I'm taking just only 1 cup because we're not even doing a big section, and I realized that I even used too much. So now I'm mixing in both the developers. I used about a cap each, and I just mixed it until I got like a smooth consistency, and then I'm gonna lay it very carefully on my lace. So I left the bleach on for probably like 10-15 minutes, and then I saw that it was ready to be rinsed out because the knots had faded away. So I'm just rinsing that out under some water, and then I took my Shimmer Light shampoo to just remove a little bit of the brassiness. I know this is probably like an unnecessary step, but I'm just like trying to be a perfectionist, so I just had to like take this extra step. I bleached my knots, well, the little knots that there is. I bleached those knots, and now I'm going to straighten it. I think I'm gonna do straight. What are you thinking? What am I thinking? What are you thinking, sis? Straight? Yeah, she's thinking straight. Even the box is they got the wig cap in here. So it's super light. So I'm gonna put some foundation just around the part that's gonna show with the, you know, with the wig part. It's not a big part, so you don't have to really go in too much if you have this particular wig. So this brush is literally the brush that I used to do my makeup earlier. So I'm gonna just go in on the top and just press in whatever is left on my brush. Regardless, is gonna be fine because the part don't even go all the way that far, so it should be fine. Just put it on. Ooh, she's gonna need some work. She's gonna need some work. The lace is pretty, it's pretty close to my skin tone. Like, it actually almost like completely disappears to my skin tone, which is good. Yeah, I think I'm gonna fall in love with it. I also think I'm gonna cut it a little bit. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna use to style this right now. My handy dandy flat iron, and this is my GVP flat iron. I've had this for decades. And then I have my hot comb. This one is from Andis. I bought it from Amazon. I'm gonna link everything below in case you guys, you know, want to get those products. These are like my favorite hot tools. Also have some mousse. This is from Cream of Nature, the argan oil mousse, and I am using my Bold Hold liquid gold. All right, enough of me talking. Let's get into me fixing this thing on my head, because I know y'all tired of seeing it, because I'm tired of seeing it. So let's go. I'm gonna cut my wig. I have my scissors and my comb, and I'm probably gonna cut it, so probably like right there, just because it's like an awkward length for me. Listen, I forgot to say this in the beginning, but I'm not a professional, okay? I'm not a professional. I just do this. I just know how to do it. So do not base your judgments off of what's gonna happen today, okay? It may turn out good, it may turn out crazy, but not professional, so keep that in mind, okay? Because it's not a thick wig, so I'm gonna just take one nice chunk. Actually, I'm gonna work in smaller sections because if Brad Mondo ever saw what I was doing to this wig, oh god. Listen, not a professional, okay? Just do what works for me. Boom. Missed a couple. I'll just do a straight cut right down there because I want it to be like a blunt type of situation. As you can see, it didn't really take off much, but you know, it took off a little bit. I cut the wig down a little bit. It's a little choppy, but once we straighten it and do all that good stuff, it should get together, okay? Got my flat iron burning up over there. I work from the front back. I don't know if that's weird, but that's just how I work with it. So I'm gonna straighten this side on camera, and then I'm gonna just do the other side off camera. So when I'm straightening it, I'm kind of like bumping the bottom just a little bit because since I cut it into like a lob, kind of want to bump the bottom a little bit, give it like, you know, kind of like that old school bump. Okay, so I've kind of finished this side. I got it straightened out, and you see I added like the bump at the bottom. It's a little uneven right here, but I'm gonna fix that. It's looking cute already. If I just like smooth it out. Ooh, looking cute, and this side is still looking crazy. So yeah, I'm gonna finish this side off camera, and then I'm gonna come back with my hot comb and finish it up. I flat ironed the side, bumped it a little bit, and I hot combed the top. I don't know if you can tell like the difference a little bit in the top. So I hot combed this side. You can still see the side still has like that lump over here. Comb it, just run it through just like that. Careful not to get your fingers. Sometimes I do it this way too. I'm gonna take some of my mousse, pump that on the top, just get rid of those flyaways, those extra flyaways that are up there. Just smooth it down. This is gonna also help the wig like lay smoother too. Back in with the hot comb, just to seal it. It's been a long time since I've worn a closure. I'm always wearing a frontal now. Like I can't remember the last time I've actually worn a closure wig, but this one is actually really well sewn. Like you can see on the sides over here, it's fully covered with hair. So you know, if that wind blows back, you see the hair. You know, you don't just see your edges. You see the hair. It's like really nicely dense at the sides, which I really like. This lace is like just blending right into my skin tone. Boop, boop. It definitely needs some plucking though. It doesn't even really need crazy plucking though, but you can see the part is like non-existent. So we're gonna have to make our own parting now. I'm gonna pluck a little bit, and I'm going to just zoom you guys in so you can see, you know, exactly what I'm doing. I'll just do some pulling. So I'm holding it, I'm just doing like small pulling motions, plucking some hair out. So now I'm gonna pluck the hairline part a little bit. So I'm gonna just pull out a little bit first in the front. That's gonna be like, you know, the baby hairs or edges or whatever. Eating that till I get it to like my desired place, but I think it looks pretty good. I'm pretty happy with it. I'm using my Bold Hold Liquid Gold, and I'm gonna just take a little bit of that on the back of my hand first. Literally just like a dot, like nothing. I'll just pull it back a bit. I'll just put a little bit right where I'm gonna put my closure down. Super simple. It just takes a couple seconds to dry because I put a really thin layer. But as it's drying, intermission to show you guys my nails. You know, I gotta give you guys some nail cam. So these are my nails that I've done recently, and you'd be surprised, but these are actually poly gel. Let me know if you guys would want a hair, I said a hair tutorial. If a nail tutorial would be something that you guys are interested in, because these are cute. So I think my glue is dry, so I'm gonna just pull this over, put it right where I placed my glue. So I finished hot combing and I finished my plucking. So I kind of did a couple of my edges off camera, but all I really do is I just take a little bit, I just hit it with the swoop. That's it. And I used my my foam, my styling foam, to do a little bit of edges. I'm gonna zoom you guys in so you can just see what the lace is looking like. This looks really good. Like it's blending in with my skin. It's not looking ashy or nothing. So I'm gonna just put some foundation and fix up my parting. I got my part looking better now. If we're looking at what it was looking like before as opposed to now, we're making some progress. It looks much better. Okay, zoomed out a little bit. So like I said before, I'm gonna just run my flat iron back through. Hot, it's hot. I just finish it off with a little bit of mousse on the sides, get them flyaways down pat. Okay, so my hair is finished. This is the finished look, guys, and let me tell you, I am in love with this. It's so cute. I'm actually proud of myself for pulling this off because I didn't think I was gonna make it, honestly. From what it looked like in the beginning to what it look like now, I didn't think I was gonna make it. I really love it. Let me give you guys a little close-up, okay? The color is really pretty as well. It's full all the way down, which is really great. Honestly, guys, again, like I said, I'm not a professional. I just do what works for me, and clearly it works. It's not perfect. It's not perfect, but it's pretty good to me. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Thanks for staying with me through the video if you stayed with me, because I know it was long and I know I was doing a lot of talking. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, join the fam, and put on them post notifications so you can see when I post, because I am back. I'm gonna try not to take another hiatus like I did before. And once again, I'm super thankful to all y'all that subscribe to me and that support me and that are here for the journey, because I love y'all. And I will be back with another video very, very soon. Leave me some suggestions, because sometimes I'll be getting like video block and I don't know what to do. Let me on my social medias are gonna be drifting somewhere over here. And yeah, and again, shout out to Beauty Forever for sponsoring my video, for sending me this beautiful wig. I really do love it. I'm gonna have the link below for you guys to purchase this wig as well. It's from Amazon, so you know it came fast. But yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.